Hello traders, this is Binary Trending channel. Today I am growing this binary option account using only basic support and resistance levels of the market. My candle time frame is 15 seconds and I will be using mostly 1 minute or 2 minutes as my trade expiry time. This is Quotex broker and the link is in the video description and also the link to our Telegram channel where I send out binary option signals free. Subscribe if you are new and give a thumbs up for the video. When trading over-the-counter currency pairs OTC, the technical indicators are good but not the best because they give false signals as well. Today I'm using just the market support and resistance levels to make profit. Combining the market support and resistance levels with technical indicator make good results as well, but today's session will be only on basic support and resistance trading. As on the screen, the market came down to the support level and I have entered the first call option trade with a trade expiry time of 1 minute. If you identify the support and resistance levels of the market correctly, your winning trade will be absolutely good, but note that even with the support and resistance levels, you can still lose trades, so money management is still required. The trade closed in absolute profit here. I have identified the support level and it's a good one as the market have reversed multiple time when it reached the level, making it a strong support level for placing call option trades. When I identify either the support or resistance level, I make sure to enter the trades on the level exactly to avoid losing trade in case of broken support and resistance levels. Let's wait for the trade to play out. Closed in profit. Great. The market is trending downward here, and the candles have break below the trend line and it's a retest of the trend line from below, making a good put option trade entry point. For those who don't really know what support and resistance is, support occurs when falling prices stop, change direction, and begin to rise. Support is often viewed as a floor which is supporting, or holding up prices. Resistance is a price level where rising prices stop, change direction, and begin to fall. Now, let's wait for the trade to close. Closed in absolute profit. This is a point of resistance in the market and am placing a put option here because I think the market will reverse here before it continue in an uptrend. closed in absolute profit. Great. This is another easy to spot and great support level for call option trades. Absolute profit here. Here is another level that have been respected by the market as both the support and the resistance. The level should act now as support, but it won't be a strong support because the market have started breaking through the level. The market break through the old support level and went down to the new support level, and the trade closed with a loss. This is a good resistance level, and am placing put option trades here because the market will respect the resistance level. Here I have identified another good resistance level, and it is a strong level for put option trades. To make good profit with support and resistance trading, You need to identify the strongest levels first, and to do that, you look at the previous candle movements and draw your support and resistance level and wait for the market to reach any of the levels before you place trades. Select just a few currency pairs with high payout so you can easily go through them without missing a single entry point.